Okay, we'll start with the Mustad S70 size 10 wet fly hook. This is a 2 extra heavy hook and we've got a gold bead on there. This is the Yellow Damsel. So make a couple of turns with your tying thread, and then if you put it in the slot of the bead and go around, you'll see that the slot, when enough tying thread builds up, the bead will secure itself. So we go back to about there. Trim that off, and what we need is a bright yellow marabou plume. Now what I do with this to give it best movement is I take just a bit of the tip section and break it out. Then we gather up all the plumes like this. We want quite a long tail on this, about there. Cut that off, secure it with a couple of turns, just check the tail. There we are, that's good. And I can go back and just go over the front. Then we need some wire. This is ultra wire amber. We'll just tie a length of this in, right down into the tail base, and go up towards the bead, back again to there. Then we take a small bunch of long fibres from the marabou plume and we tie these in by the tips. Just secure them with 2 or 3 turns. Then we can trim off all the ends with them. Go forward to about there. Then we take all the fibres and we twist them. So we form a little dubbing rope. I'll just go around 4 or 5 times with that while we just walk this forward to there. Will do us fine. And we just swap our hands over there, lock that off, and then we can tie it off like so. We can remove the butt ends, a couple more turns, and we take our amber wire, make 1 turn right at the tail base, and then we can make our way up in nice even open turns. I'll get to the head, a couple of turns over the wire, and then we bend it back, a couple of turns in front, keep tension on your tying thread and just remove that with friction. We need a dyed yellow partridge hackle, quite a long one. Pull everything back. Couple of turns in front, just put that slot facing downwards. That's good. I can remove those. That's a bit long. I'll just remove a bit of that. Put our hackle plier on there. Fold all the fibres back. What you can do here, you can just move our tying thread out of the way like that. And I just want a couple of turns of the yellow partridge in front, and we just Move our tying thread back. Get all the hackle flaps out of the way. There we go. We can remove that. Just turn our vise. We don't cut our tying thread off. Remove that. Couple of whip finishes. Tighten to the bead head. Remove our tying thread. Then to varnish we take a drop and we go right into the slot of the bead, and you'll see that disappear into the slot. There we go, and that will really secure everything. And you do this just a couple of times like that. And that's the finished Yellow Damsel. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.